Greetings folks, this little packet is the Mini Surfer 800 800mm wingspan EPP aircraft glider RC airplane kit for a measly $37.07 US. So the specs on the website are kit weight 140 grams, flying weight 350 to 450 grams, we'll see about that. Needs a more than 4 channel radio, battery 3S 1500 to 2200. I'm tipping 2S will be fine with this one. You want to keep it as light as possible, I think. 2204 brushless motor, 30 amp ESC, be less than that I reckon. 5x5 prop, 3 9-gram servos. Alright, so let's open it up and have a look. Some lovely stickers. Instruction manual, great if you can read Chinese. Here's the fuselage. Let's just get it all out anyway. Here we go. Wings, definitely EPP, not bad quality EPP too actually. Ailerons need to be sliced out. Everything's reasonably flexible, but it's only a 800mm, so, and it's going to be super light, so it's not going to be a big problem. There's the wing. We get wing spar there, which will just be glued in like that. Servo spaces there. Looks like they'll fit little 9-gram servos easily. And we get push through ratchet, sort of push through push rods in there, so that's all good. Horizontal stabilizer is extremely flexible, but we also get a spar for that one as well, which is nice, and it will need it. Elevator, still attached, needs to be cut out and flexed up a bit. Vertical stabilizer, no rudder. Here's the fuselage halves. Quick glue together job. Here's the motor pod. 2 halves, little plastic motor mount there that just gets glued in like that. That's nice and simple. This little slot up here, actually we'll put the wing on first. It's got a tab at the front that slips under there, and we have another carbon fibre rod that passes through there. There's the motor pod goes on there, and you can see this gap here. The ESC fits up in there, which is exactly what I do with my pusher planes as well. So I'm liking this design. Cute little plane. I predict that this is going to be just a fun little plane to fly around. Great for sort of lightweight, close-in FPV. It'll be a good little slope soarer too, I'm sure. We have some push rods and a push rod casing, push rod adjusters. They even give you some rubber bands. We get a ply landing skid. What's that for? That'll be reinforcing for the tie-down for the tie-down rod. So it looks like that is going to fit in there. There's a slot here that will go into as well, so that will locate the wing nicely. Excellent. All right, well, I'm going to put it together quickly and we'll take it out for a fly. Just going to use hot glue because I've run out of Yoo-hoo pour or contact glue, so hot glue is going to do me for the moment. 340 grams with a 1300 3S battery in the nose. You can take off the wing to put the battery in, but that's a bit of a hassle, so I've cut a little hatch in the front here. Just makes easier getting the battery in and out. At the moment I just have it held on with a rubber band, and that'll do for the test flight. We'll see how it goes. Alright, we're at the field, lovely day. Hardly any wind, nice sunny day, have the place to myself. S 1300 in the nose. It needs that for balance, I think. That puts the CG right on the wires there, which may be a bit too far back. Maybe we should try a little bit more weight as well. Just slide that in there. There we go, that's better. That puts the CG on the front there. Should be nicer. Make sure I haven't reversed the ailerons. Make sure they're level. Elevator is good. I've got a racy little motor and an odd ESC that seems to give me uneven power. Horn at 20 amp. Anyway, we'll do what we can. I'm using the rubber bands to tie the wing down there, just to hold that down. Don't know if that's what was intended, and to hold my improvised battery hatch down too. But anyway, ready for throw. Need more up. Here we go again. Holding full back elevator. That's not good. So maybe I've got too much nose weight. But once I sort that out, it's going to fly okay. That is nice and stable. Alright, we'll take that nose weight out. How's the glide? Glide's good. Yeah, I think I've just got a little bit too nose heavy. I think. Maybe thrust angle issues as well, of course. Taking the nose weight out. That's better. I'm still holding a lot of back elevator though. About half throttle, cruising around nice and smoothly, quite fast really. Yeah, alright, I'll do an adjustment on the elevator. Okay, so my elevator's decided not to work for some reason. Everything else is still working, so it looks like that's the end of the test for the moment, but it's going quite well. That may have been the problem I was having. The elevator servo was just playing up, it's locked. Alright, we're ready to fly again. Changed out the elevator servo, glued in the push rods. Hopefully we'll have better control now. Got our old friend over there playing golf. Yeah, it feels much better now. Oh, very nice. Back it right off. That's better. It's more what like I expected. It's cruising around 3rd throttle. This is very, very nice now, just a real little cruiser. I think I was having problems before because everything was moving. The elevator servo wasn't working. Now it is. It was a dodgy old blue 9-gram servo that I pulled out of something else. So it's gliding pretty well. It doesn't pitch up or down when I'm throttle up or down. Maybe it pitches down a little bit, but nothing to worry about. Can slow it right down for cruising. Just bank and yank so it sort of hangs the tail a little bit. Could do with some differential on the ailerons if you wanted to be fussy. Quite responsive, quite nippy little thing, but you can take it easy as well. Lovely.